Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I will be telling about how to create the slab in all my floors, and for that what you need to do is you need to first go to the ground level, because in the foundation level beams will not be available, because beams are created in the ground level, initial level, that is ground level. Then in this first floor also you will be able to see the beams, but I will go simply to the ground level. After going to the ground level, because this is the lowest level where beams are being created, after going there I will go to the structure and I will click here slab, structural foundation slab and slab edge. There are two type of slabs. One is the structural foundation slab is also present here, but let me create the slab by selecting it here and going to the architectural slab, because there is no requirement of creating this slab with reinforcement. I will simply create the concrete slab. So let me click it here. After clicking it here, I will select this line, and after selecting this line, from here I will select it up to this level. Then from here I will select up to this level. After that I will select up to this level, and after that I will close it up to, I need to close up to here, but as I have closed in a different position, I need to align it now. So click on align. I need to align it to here, this line. So aligned, I need to align up to this line, aligned. I have to align all the lines. Let me click here if it's properly aligned or not. I need to align to this line, this line aligned. Now I need to align to this line, aligned. So everything is now properly aligned. So I need to align, everything is properly aligned. Now I will click it here. So now my floor is created. So let me go to the 3D view. Let me check here if it's okay or not. This one is the, so where is my slab? So this one is my beam, this one is my slab. Okay, my slab is placed over of 300 mm slab. So let me go to the 3D view. For going to the 3D view, or you can simply click it here for going to the 3D view, and I will check whether the slab is okay or not. Though my slab is created, but I need to create the slab over the beams. So I will simply click in this slab. What I will do is go to the ground level, and as I have created the slab, after clicking it here, first you need to edit it and change the thickness. First create duplicate slab 150 mm. Okay, then after that edit it 150. Okay, after that okay, edit it. Now a slab is being edited of 150 mm. Now it has been created at the ground level. So I have to now move the slab. Or let me move the slab by, as my beam is of, let me check the size of the beam size is 400 mm depth. Go to the edit and let me check the beam size. 400 mm is the height, so 400 mm. So now click on slab, as my level is 150 mm, so I will create the slab height offset. Let me give the height offset as 150 mm. Now my slab will be fully placed. Now my slab of 150 mm will be fully placed over the beams. Let me click on applied. Now you will go to the 3D view. See, now my slab of 150 mm is fully placed over the beam. Okay, in this manner I will click in the slab, and after clicking in the slab I will copy it and I will paste it to the levels, that is second floor, third floor, first floor, multi-level. Okay, so hope it's clear to all of you how I have created the slabs as well. So this is the 3D view. In the 3D view, now my slab is very clear how it's created. Okay, actually I need to delete all, because in the multi-level only there is the requirement of the multi, but I need to create the building up to here. So for that what I will do is I'll click it here and I'll place SA, and I'll again click it here and I'll press SA. Then base level is okay, and their top level should be up to what height? Or let me do one thing, okay, so hope it's clear to all of you. I will show you that what I need to make the changes in my upcoming video. So till now, today's topic I have to explain the slab, how to create the slab, as it's clear to all of you how to create the slab. So after creating the slab, let me go to the ground floor. After that, after going to the ground floor, so this is how the slab is created. Now I'll click in the slab and I will go to the annote and I will tag the slab. Now I'll tag the slab. Or let me do one thing, slab tag by category. There is no tag loaded for floors. You want to load one? Yes. As the tag is not loaded for the slab, I will go to the US metric, then annotations. Now load the tag for the structural tag for the slab. Let me slab let me structural column rebar column slab tag. Let me click it here. So as you can see here, now this one is the slab beam of 300 by 400 mm and slab of this one. So I can show it here, the slab. Let me delete this one. In this way I will take the slab as well, and let me copy this ground level here. And for that what we will do is you need to go to the view, click in the plan view, structural plan, copy the ground level, okay, beam plan is okay. In the beam plan the floor is also, here it's not visible, here it's not visible, here in the beam plan the floor is also visible. So here in the beam plan I have to go to the visibility graphics and I have to remove the floor, structural floor. I have to remove the floor and apply it. Yeah, but in the this one will be the slab plan, this one is the slab plan. In the slab plan the slab will be visible, and here in this slab plan here I will annotate it, and for annotating it go to annotate, tag by category, slab. This one is the slab of imam. So hope it's clear to all of you how to create the slab and how to annotate it. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any doubt you can ask me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel then you can subscribe it, and thanks for watching my video.